Hey everybody, how's it going? Ron Watson, Positive Vibe. I'm going to do some work with Loot. We're going to work on some flat work and also catching. If he misses, I will do nothing and he should lie down. I might ask him to lie down once or twice, but that's it. It's his job to lie down. I found that this self-discipline of owning the mistake, the dog owning the mistake on his own, is super helpful. It really helps Loot understand that, you know, it's his bad, not mine. Ready? Makai, get out. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Excuse me. So Loot really likes to run. Easy, Cheetah. He really likes to run more than he likes to catch a disc. And, whoa, him having to self-regulate and punish himself when he misses, I think we'll see him do nothing but catch, and we should see him have like real solid catches. Makai, get out. Yes, ouse. Best punishment of them all with the dog who really wants to play is not playing. Makai, get out. Yes. Ouse. Yes. Yes. Ouse. Yes. I'm going to go ahead and wrangle my discs. I would really like to see him do the down behavior on top of the disc. I don't like that, like as he misses on top of the disc. I don't like that coming in and chewing on the disc in front of me. That's a little exciting. I might put it down on him. I might not, I don't know. Loot. Yes. Easy, Cheetah. Makai, go. Catch. Yes. Ouse. Yes, Mauka. Catch. Oh, my bad. Good hustle. Ouse. Yes. Catch. Oops, easy. Catch. Yes, good man. Ouse, yes. Yes, good. Ouse, Makai. Catch. Yes, good. Ouse, yes. That's one he would miss normally. Ouse, yes. Go. Go. Yeah, nice throttling down by him. Super awesome, Loot. Super awesome.